I'm not too sure if you guys seen that chip shot or not, but that was pretty dope, wasn't it? Alright, so today I'm actually here in Summerlin. Golf course called Angel Park, just right off of Rampart here. And you got the casino. Hey, what's the name of that casino? Rampart Casino, right?
Yeah.
So we got Rampart Casino over here. You got the Summerlin freeway right here. Well, actually turns into the freeway just right off of here. Definitely a nice golf course. A little bit more than what I would like to spend. I think it's about $80 to play a total of 18 holes. I think it's called Mountain something. What's the name of this course we're playing?
Mountain.
It's called Mountain. So definitely a nice course, something that you guys should check out. So today what we're gonna do is hang out, we're gonna do some golfing, and maybe you guys can give me some lessons too as we go along the way. Alright, so I just found out Angel Park has 3 golf courses. Mountain, and what was the other one? Palms, and we have Cloud 9. Apparently Cloud 9 only has 12 holes, which is kind of interesting. You figured it would just only be 9 versus 12.
Yeah, short and sweet, so that way you get a quick session in, and then after that, go back home.
And this is my new buddy right here, Charles. So today what we're gonna do is we got $1 a hole. The good news is that we're both not good. So we're gonna see how this thing turns out.
This guy's going down.
I don't think so.
So my girlfriend.
All right, here we go. I guess I'm gonna start it off. So I got 2 guys that we just met here. We got Paul and Mike here. Nice. All right, so here's the first shot of the day. Typically on the first ones is the most nerve-wracking one. All right, so what are we at? The fringe, 100, 130, 115. 115 uphill. I'm gonna do an 8-iron. Let's see if we can do this on an 8-iron.
Not bad. Very nice.
Ooh. Not bad. So right now we are on the 4th hole. Charles is about to hit this ball here. Try not to talk too loud on his backswing, but this is a par 3. 128 yards. This is perfect for my 8-iron. Let's see if I can get it. Oh, nice.
My boy muffed the shot. He says doesn't like golfing late. You know he has to throw it.
All right, hole number 7. We're doing pretty good here. Oh, look at that.
Hammer! Where the hell did it go?
Down the middle.
Oh shit.
Right next to the pin.
Off to the right.
Whew, I don't know what is going on. A little bit too far to the right. All right, let's get out of here. All right, me and Charles actually hit the ball pretty closely together. 204 to the fringe. Let's see here. I think what we're gonna do is, instead of trying to go for the hole, I think we're gonna do a layup. So I'm just gonna use my 6-iron. Oh, wrong way, bud.
Ooh. You hit that fat butt.
Yeah,
right direction.
I wasn't trying to go for it because it was only a 6-iron, because that was like 220.
Okay.
I just wanted to get it about 100 yards to play my my pitching wedge. You're still good. You're lined up now. Right on the fringe, baby.
That was a bad good shot.
It's like a bad good shot. I don't know what that means, but it's a bad good shot. Wind is blowing like crazy today, so allergies are definitely kicking in. All right, if I get this shit on the green, y'all need to subscribe. Here we go. Bro, with the little wind action. Too much. Too much juice. What was I thinking? I should have let up on it. There we go. Let's see if we can make it. I know it's windy, but bear with me. Oh my God. Now you notice these condos in back. I mean, these are actually the Toll Brother condos. They're roughly about 25 to 3,500 square feet. Can range you about $1.2 million for these condos. It's crazy. Nice. Whoa. Look at that. That's pin action, baby. Hey, I got that on camera too.
Did you?
Hell yeah.
Hell yeah.
Hopefully mine is just as good.
Oh, that's good. Hold on. Come on, come on, come on, come on.
Good.
Hey!
Yeah! I guess we're riding together, bud. There we go.
Look at that beautiful bike. Hole in one. Ooh.
Oh! Oh!
Yeah. Okay.
There it is.
Okay. He's good.
Another one. Ooh! So we got the homie over here. If you watch this video, hey, thanks for being a subscriber. We really do appreciate you. So much love to all the fans out there. Also, if you guys haven't had a chance to subscribe to the channel, go ahead and click that subscribe button. Now, you know what this means is we need to get a birdie.
Oh yeah.
Uh-oh.
Do it.
All right, recap. Today I shot a 95, which is really good. Charles, no, actually, sorry. Recap again. I shot a 96. Charles shot a 105.
Yeah, yep.
Not bad, actually.
Till next time.
Exactly. I could have went a little bit lower, however, towards the back end, it's horrible. Sunset Station. Now, if you guys never been to Sunset Station is a local casino here in the city of Henderson. This was like one of the first casinos I worked at, but I didn't show up to the orientation. I got hired, never showed up. Anyway, we're gonna head over to Sunset Station. They have a bowling alley, so today we're gonna go bowling. And we're gonna see how we do, because all day today, obviously I was golfing, but now we're gonna go bowling. We're gonna hang out with the family, get some practice bowling going. But what you'll notice out here in Vegas, they have like these casinos like all over town, and they're like station casinos where a lot of local goes to. And I think you can literally win. Do you win better or at the...
I feel like your odds are better at the local casinos,
Yeah.
but I don't know.
I don't know how true this is, but I think, like Jessica said, your odds are better here at the local station versus like if you went to the strip. It seems like your money goes a lot longer, even though you lose your money. And the other thing is that
You get to play longer.
yeah, now your bets on the strip are a lot more. Like if you play craps on the strip, it's like $20. Here it's probably like 10 bucks. So at this bowling alley, you have a total of 72 lanes. Looks like they're doing a cosmic bowling over here too as well, which I do not like cosmic bowling. All right, so we're gonna do some bowling. However, we are pretty much backed up on the bowling, so it's about an hour wait. So now, what we're gonna do is possibly play a game of pool or shoot some darts.
We're gonna try to play the one that gets all the numbers.
Yeah, 2020. I'll challenge you first. How much is it? Is it $1?
I don't know. I'm assuming. Let me go. So.
How many players is it?
Let me find out.
Is it a touchscreen?
Yeah.
No.
Is it? No.
Oh, good. I ain't got no money.
What?
Yeah, I ain't got no money.
How do you not have
I don't have any money. That's what I'm saying. The cricket game. Yeah, it's called cricket. There you go.
Is it?
Yeah, hit this one right here. So this right here, you gotta hit it 23 times, 19 3 times, 18 3 times, 3 times, and you gotta hit bullseye. Now these ones are worth 3. No, I'm sorry. This is worth 2, 1, and 3. So if you hit this 20 one time, you close it out because you hit it 3 times. If you hit this one, that means you hit it 2 times, you close it out, right? But you gotta get a total of 3. Does that make sense? Let him go first. He gets that.
Two. Get two. Here, back.
Yeah, big dummy, you don't throw from right here. hey, Eugene, he was trying to throw from right here. Oh, man, you gotta go 20 to 15, it doesn't matter. Oh, there you go, remove darts. Oh yeah, okay, you sure you want to be on the same team? Look at that.
No matter. He'll get this.
Here, give me that.
He just warm it up.
Ooh. Oh, crap.
Yeah, put that on.
Don't you know how to play too?
All right, now we're gonna play some pool. Okay, I'll go first. All right, man, it's me and you.
All right, man.
Let's get it.
All right.
Okay.
You see one in the sun. There you go.
Oh, it's like finesse. You sure did, baby. You sure did, baby.
Yeah, I know. I know.
Okay. Here we go.
Oh, I know we go. Look at that.
Ooh, finesse, baby. Uh-oh, what do I got?
Oh, you gotta get that 5 when you get it. Okay, put that 5 out. All right, hit it harder.
Here we go. Watch this. Oh, is it?
Yeah. Sit. Ah. Whoa.
I hit the ball. Oh, Gino, set it up. Nope. Ooh, that's a hard shot. Now what?
Hit. Oh. It's okay.
Oh! So these guys here are actually the guys that I actually bowl with. These are actually my bowling teammates. We're very competitive. So right now we're trying to beat each other in this game of pool right now. Oh, is he doing double? What is he doing?
Combo into the corner pocket.
Nice.
Damn it.
Oh, where we going? Here?
Miss.
Oh, shit. Oh my gosh.
And then I got the freaking mouth.
So it's actually me and Jeff versus Al and Gene. Why would you do that?
I gotta go over this. That's it.
Why would you hit it so hard?
That's it. Because you gotta go over there and freaking fill it. It's even worse over there.
Game, baby. That's game, baby. Hey, and it's game time.
Oh. Slow. Got it.
That's game, baby.
Yay!
All right, you're not gonna believe this. Like 2.5 hours later, we finally got our lane. Are you sure? No, for real.
Yeah, you owe me one.
I'll pay you now then. But before I pay you now, I'm about to bowl. This is our first bowl. Here we go.
All right.
Hey, I don't know what's up with these lanes, man. It's not supposed to be like this. Here, let's do this again. Why did he go out like that?
I don't know. You do it out like that.
I did?
Yeah. You open it. Good.
Oh, man. There's no... There's barely any oil on it.
Right here?
Roll it. Yeah, I guess it is on that side.
It's like glass out there, boy. It's like glass out there.
Well, we can show them.
Yeah. All right, so what we're doing is we're putting tape on the ball because we want to see where the rotation is with the ball.
Yeah, it's a skids, right? It's a skids, yeah.
There's like no rotation.
There is.
Is there?
Yeah.
Because it seems like it's not even spinning.